Have you ever wanted to create lifelike characters that stay consistent across different poses, settings, and even speak with animation? With Midjourney, this is now possible. In today's tutorial, we'll take you step by step through the process of creating consistent characters and animating them to speak in any location or pose. Let's dive in. Midjourney has revolutionized AI art creation with its ability to generate stunning, lifelike visuals. But what makes it stand out is its consistency feature, perfect for storytelling, branding, or animation projects. Whether you're creating a mascot for your brand or a character for your game, Midjourney helps you maintain a unified look across all your visuals. We can finally create consistent characters inside of Midjourney, and it's super easy. This has huge implications for the filmmaking industry. I have provided the link in description. You can download it for free. Let's hop in. The first thing you will want to do is hop over to Discord into Midjourney. I always recommend running your own Midjourney server instead of running on the public Midjourney server because stuff just gets lost. What you're going to need is an image of your subject. So, in our instance, I have a photo of this woman in a dress. This woman was generated inside of Midjourney. It's from the internet. You can, of course, use a link from the internet as well. I will drag and drop this image into Discord. Go ahead and click enter, and it will put in your image. Now all you have to do is click in here, click open in the browser, and copy the URL of the image. Now we're back inside of Midjourney, and I will say /imagine. And now you type in your prompt. In our case, I'll say a cinematic still of a woman wearing a high-necked white dress, with white earrings and brown hair in a modern romantic comedy with light leaks shot on film. Now you don't have to go into that much detail whenever you are writing your description for your subject, but the more detail you add in, the more consistent this tool will be. Now you need to add in your reference photo. And in order to do that, you'll do --cref space and then paste in your link. After that, go ahead and hit space and type in --CW. CW stands for character weight, and in Midjourney it's on a scale. It can go from 0 to 100, 0 being that there's a lot more creativity. The subject's hair can change, the clothes that they're wearing, it will be the same person, but a lot of the features might change. If you type in a value of 100, the character will basically be the same. So I'll just go ahead and do --CW space, and in this instance, I'm going to do 100, and go ahead and click enter. And just like that, we have an image cascade with 4 images that look basically the same with the same character. Now, of course, whenever we're working on any AI project, one of my favorite things to do is to iterate. So I will say that if you are working on a project like this, make sure that you go into your prompt and do space --R, then put a space. This is going to repeat your prompt, and then you can type in a repeater code. I almost always do at least 4 to create 4 iterations of my prompt. So I'm going to go ahead and click enter, and let's see our results. And after just a few seconds, we have a ton of images here, and they fit the prompt, and the character is consistent throughout. So obviously this has huge implications when you're working on really easy, any project, not just film projects. Having the ability to have consistent characters is a huge advantage whenever you are looking to tell compelling stories. So let's change things up. So I want this character, but I want her to be wearing something else and just kind of stylistically look different. I'm going to copy our exact prompt here, and we will do /imagine and paste in the previous prompt. But this time, instead of a character weight of 100, I'll say 0. And let's go ahead and see our results. Okay, let's take a look at the results. So in these results, you can see that generally we have the same character, but her dress has really changed from shot to shot. Whereas before, the dress was pretty dang consistent from shot to shot. Now it's changed into a different style. And of course, You would get even more styles if you remove the actual dress, prompting that prompted for a specific outfit. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go ahead and copy the prompt board, go to Imagine and paste it in here. And in this instance, I'm just going to say a cinematic still of a woman in a modern romantic comedy with light leaks shot on film with a character weight of 0. Let's take a look at our results. So we see that we have the woman here, and she's wearing completely different clothes in each one of these shots. The style is a little bit different from shot to shot in this one. She's wearing glasses, and this one she's wearing a black dress. So, generally speaking, whenever you turn down your character weight, the character still will be a consistent character. It's just their clothing and other details might change from shot to shot. Now I wanted to test this out with a photo of me. So let's go ahead and do that together. Here's this photo of me. Let's go ahead and drag and drop this photo right into Discord. Once it's uploaded, I'll click on the image, then click Open in Browser and copy the URL. Next, I'll head back over to Discord and type in /imagine to start creating a prompt. For this prompt, let's say, a pencil drawing of a man wearing a white sweater in the style of a pencil drawing, really emphasizing the pencil drawing here. After that, I'll add -CREF for character reference and paste in the URL we just copied. Next, we'll include -CW for character weight. Now, instead of typing in 100, let's use 50. Here's why. If you set the character weight to 100, some elements like lighting and shadows from the reference photo will carry over. In this case, my photo has a distinct light source, creating a shadow on one side of my face. If I use a weight of 100, the AI might replicate that shadowing in all the generated images, which limits variety. By setting the weight to 50, we allow for more creative flexibility in the results. Let's see what we get. And here are the results. 4 unique images. They do resemble me, though the haircut might vary a bit. But because we set the weight to 50, the AI had room for interpretation and delivered a broader range of results. What do you think? Pretty cool, right? Once you've achieved your desired results, it's time to animate your character. For this, we'll use HeyGen, an excellent tool for character animation. A free download link is provided in the description. To get started, visit HeyGen and create an account. Once logged in, you'll see a window appear. Click on Create Video and then select Avatar Video. Next, choose Create Landscape Video. From there, click on Photo Avatar, select Create Photo Avatar, and then click Upload. Drag or upload the character you created in Midjourney. After uploading, navigate to the text section. At the top of the text bar, you'll find Voices options. Click on it, and you'll see 3 options. The character's name, My Voices, for uploading your own voice, and the HeyGen library. Select HeyGen library to browse a variety of voice options. Choose the voice that best suits your character, adjust the mood, and then write your script in the text field. Once ready, click Submit, name your file, and submit again. HeyGen will process your video, which might take a little time. Once completed, your animated character is ready. Here are the results.
Hi everyone, myself Melissa. I am an AI influencer created by Midjourney and HeyGen.
Key features of Midjourney creative freedom. Midjourney empowers users to design visuals by providing detailed prompts that describe elements like colors, environments, lighting, and composition. For instance, you can specify a futuristic city under a sunset glow with cyberpunk aesthetics, and the AI will interpret and render this vision into a breathtaking image. Consistency in characters. A standout feature of Midjourney is its ability to maintain visual consistency, making it ideal for creating recurring characters across different poses, scenes, and emotions. This is particularly valuable for storytellers, content creators, and game developers who need continuity in their visual narratives. Broad style range. Users can explore a wide range of art styles, from minimalist sketches to hyper-realistic renders, surrealistic designs, and even emulations of specific art movements like Impressionism or Futurism. The platform simplifies the creative process, making it accessible to both professionals and beginners. By entering natural language prompts, even those with no artistic background can create visually compelling art pieces. Flexibility in use cases. Midjourney isn't limited to creating standalone artwork. It's a valuable tool for storyboarding, helping filmmakers and writers visualize scenes, designing unique ad visuals and campaign assets, gaming, generating character concepts, environments, and props, personal projects, creating personalized art from book covers to social media posts, community and collaboration. Midjourney operates within a vibrant online community, particularly on Discord. Users can share their creations, exchange ideas, and collaborate, enhancing the creative experience. Advanced customization. The platform allows users to refine outputs through iterations and variations, ensuring the final image matches their vision. Features like prompt weighting and aspect ratio customization offer further precision. Applications of Midjourney content creation. Perfect for YouTubers, bloggers, and influencers who need high-quality visuals to enhance their content. Branding. Businesses can develop mascots, logos, and consistent character themes for marketing campaigns. Teachers and trainers use it to create illustrations for educational materials. Animators, filmmakers, and game designers employ it for concept art and character designs. In essence, Midjourney is more than just an AI image generator. It's a versatile creative assistant that combines technology and artistry, opening new doors for innovation and storytelling. Whether you're an artist looking for inspiration or a business seeking impactful visuals, Midjourney makes imagination tangible. That's it. A complete tutorial of making consistent characters in Midjourney. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.